What's up, guys? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we will be looking at exercise 61 of our Python exercise tutorial series. Without any further ado, let's get to it. So, guys, as I've mentioned in the previous lesson, right? This exercise 61 onwards until further notice, we will be looking at Python exercises that deal with the topic of dictionaries in Python. Okay, so let's get to it. So, exercise 61. Create a program that determines and displays the number of unique characters in a string entered by the user. For example, Hello World has 10 unique characters while ZZZ has only one unique character. Use a dictionary or set to solve this problem. Okay, guys, so as you can see, right, I'm sure you've already realized based on the text prompt of the question itself that we are faced with a very easy exercise in this specific one. So there's really nothing much for us to do here besides setting up an input prompt. So let's do s is equals to input. Please enter a string. That's good. And we will initialize an empty dictionary. Let's call it characters. And really, in this kind of exercise, what we are using is a set. Okay, it's a set dictionary. They have the same syntax, similar syntax. Okay, so let's do for character in characters for character in S. Yeah, so for each character in the string, what we will do is create a new CHA. Okay, there's it. Character equals true. So as I was saying, for each character in the string, essentially what we are doing is creating a new element and kind of adding it to that dictionary or set object. Okay, and we are just setting it to true. So what we can do after that, now you may ask yourself, now why are we setting it to true? Now really, I mean, we are working with a dictionary, right? Every key in a dictionary has a value associated with it. Now the thing is, in our solution, we don't really care about those values. We care more about the keys because we want the keys to be unique. Okay, and the thing is, we just chose true as the static or standard value that's going to be mapped to all the keys in the dictionary. But really, you can use any value you like, right? You can make each of these values unique if you want. The important thing is that you get those unique keys or characters in our case. Okay, I hope that makes sense, guys. So anyway, after we have appended all characters to the dictionary, right? So what we can do after that really is just print output for the user to view. The string contains, or let's just make this more readable. We'll say the string s contains, and let's do len characters characters. Okay, let's say unique. So that's good, right? This is easy to understand, guys. I just did a simple print statement. The string s contains length of the characters. So basically a number would be put there and unique characters. So as you can see, nothing much for this exercise. Really very simple. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's execute this. Please enter a string. So let's test it on what they gave us, right? Let's do hello. They did a comma world with an exclamation, and they hit enter, and as we see, the string hello world contains 10 unique characters. Let's go one more round. Let's do ZZZ. This should be 1. Yep, that's good. Let's test this again. Let's do machine mentor Shivek. It contains 14 unique characters. That's good. So let's do my name. Let's do Shivek. 6 unique characters. That's good. So as you can see, guys, this video is short, 5 minutes or so. And with that, guys, thanks for watching. Good luck with your work, and I'll see you in the next YouTube video.